Hi, Terry Kirkham from globalauctioneers.com. We're under instructions from Mr. Travis Pullen in the matter of RVAQ Proprietary Limited in liquidation to realise the assets here in Rocklea, Brisbane. The online auction sale features motor vehicles, specialised motor vehicles, mechanical workshop plant and equipment, and various assorted trailers. The business specialises in transforming stock standard Toyota Landcruisers in specialised kits such as this 2021 Toyota Landcruiser. The business had a general mechanical workshop and also 2 fabrication plant and equipment. We have 3 late model Summit 2-post hoists. We have a Summit 4-post hoist. We have a Komatsu forklift, and we have generalised specific workshop tools and equipment. We have a late model 2023 Toyota Hilux. We have a 2007 Toyota Hilux. We have a 2018 4-door Toyota Landcruiser with leather interior. This vehicle's only done 15 kilometres and is fitted with many, many extras. We have assorted plant trailers. We have a 2014 Holden SRI Cruze 4-door sedan. We have a car carrying motor vehicle trailer. The online auction is now live at globalauctioneers.com. The online auction finishes on Thursday, the 6th of February at 1 o'clock Brisbane time. Extension bidding is available. For further information, please go to globalauctioneers.com, and if you'd like to come and view the assets, please contact us through our website.